Hello, welcome again. Today we are going to learn something very important in designing. So we ask a question. When removing backgrounds from Photoshop, which method is better? Option 1, you use Select, go to Objects, then press Ctrl J to copy selection to a new layer. Or option 2, use Select, go to Subject, add a new layer mask, and then convert layer to Smart Object. Now, this is for option 1, and this is for option 2. Then we bring in the image for option 1. Alright? This is the image for option 1. Then you go to Select, go to Objects, alright? Then we click Ctrl J. You see, it opened a new layer, okay? And we switched off the main layer to remove the background. Okay. Now we can discard the first layer to have only the layer created by pressing Ctrl J. Okay, then we go to the second option. We go to Select again. We go to but right now we are going to layer mask. That's it here. We click on layer mask and the background is removed immediately. Then we convert it to Smart Objects. So this is what we have. This is option 2, which is better in real world workflows. Okay, this is option 1. And in this option 1, we can discard, you see, but in option 2, we just have the image, completely the image without the background. Thank you for watching.